where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at this beautiful snake plant called Moonshine. And why is it called Moonshine? Because this plant is unique in its own way. The leaves have a distinctive pale mint green to silver gray color that makes them appear as though they are glowing or bathed in moonlight. It's a popular cultivar, valued for its striking light tone, modern, and almost metallic foliage. It has a soft, almost frosted matte finish. The new leaves always emerge very light, almost icy green. In low light, the leaves may turn slightly darker green. They look as if they have reverted back, because if you look at this older leaf and you're looking at the new leaves, there's a huge difference in color variation. The pattern of this leaf is always a solid color with minimum bending. May have very faint horizontal striping. Look at this smooth surface with no speckles. The moonshine snake plant pattern can change depending on its growing condition. Light is the most important factor for maintaining the silver color. Further away from bright indirect light, the darker the leaves get, and closer to bright direct indirect light, the lighter it gets. The moonshine snake plant is a succulent. Its leaves are designed to hold moisture, allowing it to survive for long periods without water. This makes it hardy and water-wise, making it a low-maintenance, forgetful-proof houseplant. And this is not just a succulent, but a cultivar of the snake plant family. And just like any other snake plant, it is known for its air-purifying capabilities, filtering indoor toxins and improving air quality. The moonshine snake plant converts carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, making it an excellent healthy choice for bedroom, helping you sleep better. The moonshine typically grows 1 to 2 feet, that is 30 to 60 centimeters tall indoors. In ideal conditions, this plant can grow 90 centimeters to 1.2 meters, that is 3 to 4 feet. The conditions being light, bright indirect light keeps the plant compact and silvery. They prefer to be root bound, which restrict size. Repotting into a much large container may encourage further vertical growth. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings is essential to prevent rot, which stunts growth. Looking at the moonshine closely, as it often has a more uniform pale color with lighter variegation, but you can see here the relation between the Zeylanica, which has more classic snake plant like pattern look. Not two snake plants will grow the same. As this one, it has more broader leaves, and this one has more narrow leaves depending on the growing conditions. When I am looking at the leaf that is inside here, it looks more like a Zeylanica, featuring those deep green patterns, and it has less pale coloring than the other leaves. This factor can be environmental reversion, where light conditions affect the plant. The signature silvery white pale green color of the moonshine is often maintained best in high indirect light. Another factor could be reversion via pups. While pups often look like the parents, if a moonshine is stressed or grown in poor condition, its new shoots may not inherit the same level of variegation. That is the silvery gray coloring, resulting in a darker green reverted baby. Here I have the Zeylanica next to the moonshine. The Zeylanica is also known for its deep dark green foliage with lighter green or grayish green horizontal cross banding, and this plant next to each other. You can see this pub, how there is similarities between the two, how this pub has almost reverted back to the Zeylanica. To prevent a moonshine from turning green, give it bright indirect light. And I think what I'm going to do is repot the snake plant now. The Moonshine Snake Plant, it's beautiful. Its broad silvery green leaves provide a sleek, modern and elegant look, suitable for contemporary decor as a stand-alone piece or in a collection. And this one is receiving bright indirect light. You can see that moonlight glow. This plant can be mildly toxic if ingested, causing nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea in pets and humans. What I'm going to do is just trim this lower leaf that is touching the soil. Looking at this leaf, we can propagate this leaf. You leave the leaf to callus for 3 days. You can either propagate it in water or propagate it in soil. Let's check the propagations that we did of the moonshine in water. The first one, oh, I see the roots. Yes, it's doing well. There's tiny roots that are showing. Perfect. Let's check the second one. Ooh, roots. Oh, okay. Look at that. We have a pop, guys. Look at that. It will revert back But what a beautiful surprise! So you can see how it's joined to the leaf and the pulp already has its own roots. It will revert back to the Zalanica, but we are happy we have something. Oh, wow. Nice. Perfect. And there is another leaf in here. Let's check it out. This one has more roots than the other one, and yes, it has a tiny pulp there. Oh. So far, our propagations have been a success. Let's give it a couple of months for the pulps to mature, and we can pot all our new plants into soil. Another method of propagation, you can just cut your leaf and pot it directly into soil. And just remember that leaf cuttings require a few months to root and should be placed in bright indirect light. Division is the fastest method involving separating pulps from the main plant during repotting. Let's go ahead and repot our plant. It is not root bound at all. It is not root bound, but the root system looks so healthy. It is not waterlogged and the soil is nice and fluffy. It means that it can spread itself beautifully. So what we can do now is move it into a few inches bigger than the previous pot. You can see now it's not extremely double the size, but just a bit bigger than what it was in. I am using potting mix mixed with compost. I cannot emphasize enough how important is composting mixed with soil. And now what I'm going to do is just top it up with soil to make sure that the exposed rhizomes are covered. And this plant will stay in this pot for the next 2 years at least. I hope you guys are noticing that amaryllis bloom at the back, that blush pink. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Gently pushing the soil on the sides, making sure that we close all the air pockets, that every space is filled up. Yes, it's holding firm, and that is it. Now the next thing we need to do is water it in. These other plants are still moist, so I'm gonna leave them. I'm not gonna water them now. There is water that is coming out of the bottom of the plant. What we can do is leave the plant to soak in a little bit of that extra water, and the excess we can throw it out. We don't want the plant sitting for a very long time in water. That will cause rot.
West mama, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon.